Congratulations on your commitment to treat your snoring. You're on board with hundreds of thousands of others who have kicked snoring out of the bedroom and are now getting quiet, restful sleep using ZQuiet. ZQuiet is easy. That's what people love about it. Remember, there's no guesswork involved with fitting ZQuiet to your mouth. Just slip it in and enjoy quiet, restful sleep. Your snoring is effectively alleviated because the ZQuiet two-step comfort system comes with two sizes that gradually advance your jaw to the optimal position. To quiet the snoring noise, you may just need a slight advancement, so start with the Comfort One mouthpiece. And if the snoring quiets within a few nights, simply continue to use Comfort One. If your snoring persists, progress to Comfort Two to widen the airway a little bit further. Because ZQuiet moves your jaw slightly forward, most customers experience a brief adjustment period. Just like starting a new exercise program, your body needs to adapt to ZQuiet's effective repositioning of the jaw. During the adjustment period, you may experience jaw discomfort, a little drooling, a slight gag reflex, or a sensation of tooth or jaw movement. Rest assured that all of these symptoms are part of the adjustment period for any oral appliance and should subside within 2 days to 2 weeks. Be sure to read your ZQuiet user guide, which has useful tips to speed up the adjustment period. If you find that pain or discomfort lasts more than 2 hours after removing ZQuiet, discontinue use and give us a call. We're here to help you kick snoring out of bed, so please feel free to contact us with any questions.